this ain't some Charleston shit. Look at that. This man just pulled up, got the whole rack of pallets, boy. How do you drive around like that? Man, getting the scrap. Anyways, heading to get material from Buck. Well, that's the point we've gotten to so far. Finished the job today around 6. Old man's going home on the bike. Zooming. But anyways, yeah, I'm heading home now. It's 6 o'clock, so we had a long day of work, 8 to 6, but I got a little bit of stuff recorded today, not too much. But yeah, I'll get back with y'all in the morning. But look, here's old man on the bike. We work together, he's funny as fuck. Alright, I'm going 50 miles an hour. Let's get us a 50 roll for the video. Dylan, your favorite rapper is lying to you.
Bro, do I fucking put a camera in your face and record you? You like that shit?
Hey, bro.
I got a fucking iPhone 13 and guess what? Mine's not cracked.
Hey, guess what? I'm buying a new phone this weekend. Alright, well, just came to fucking pick up Dylan. Yeah, to go hang out, get the truck washed and stuff, and yeah, so on and so forth. What you got to say to the camera, Dylan?
I'm fucking...
We headed home.
Man's was flogging, bro. He was flaying, bro. He came for 3 minutes and then he left, bro. He flaying, bro. For real, bro. On God.
Nah, he lying. We hung out.
No,
for
he
like an hour.
flogging, bro. I got the time and everything, bro.
Nah, hey, we zooming. Look. The tent's so freaking dark, schmack, can't see nothing. Hey, we on the road again. Alright, well, Dylan, say your goodbyes. We almost just fucking killed ourselves.
Can you, like, not record? Nigga, you know leave.
Bye. Alright, see y'all later. We just came, cut out a hole in the brick. Our microwave's running, it ran directly out the house, so did that. And then Michael's in here cutting stuff out. So, yeah. All right, it's Friday. I'm on the way currently to go pick up my friend Dylan. Yeah, we're going under a house. Gotta clean some shit up and then go move shit after. So I don't know. I'll go pick him up. I'll keep y'all updated. Well, there's a setup. Supposed to normally go on the track. It's just been sitting here now for quite some time because that one tire is pretty freaking rough. Needs to be replaced. I had 2 tires there, but I don't feel like doing it. On the way to the job, baby! We pulling up on the job now. Oh, Herb's here. And Red. Alright. Backing her up. Dude, I'm gonna edit all this shit out. Shut up. Backing her up. Backing her up. Backing her up. We made it. We at the job. Bo Higgett. It's a beautiful job site. But yeah, about to go underneath the house and clean up trash. Sounds like fun.
Living like Larry.
Larry.
Oh, Larry!
We about to get started cleaning up trash. It's a pretty big crawl space under here. It ain't too bad. And it's got a lot of light, so I didn't need a flashlight or nothing. But yeah. There's a whole access underneath the house. That's a secret. I don't even know. More shit. All right, well, Dylan and I are still up under this house cleaning stuff up. Dylan, where you at?
Huh?
Where you at?
Right here.
Let's get a close up with Dylan. Dylan.
If this duck wasn't in the way, it'd be so much easier.
I know it did. Dylan. You guys pretty far back. What type of music you listening to over there?
Ice Spice.
Ice Spice? The hell is that?
My favorite rapper.
Ice. Bro, this is a pretty decent sized crawl space, but sucks under here. Turn that shit off, bro. Bro, what is you jamming over there?
Ice Spice.
Alright, we out of Bo Higgett now. Dylan and I. Look at got all this 16-foot material back here, but yeah. About to head out. Huh? Oh lordy.